Hello everybody, I am Badrinath Rajanahiri. We run a store called Rajanahiri Madhurayappa Jewelry Mart in Davangere from past 47 years. Ever since we started this store in Mandipet with my father, we have been doing it in a very different way. I happen to be a third generation in this family who is carrying forward this jewelry business. Me and Jagdish Bai from Posh and Pearls, now Posh RFID, have been associated with us from past 25 years. They have been very good to us. Of late they have come up with this technology of Posh RFID, which is a very nice package and device to check our stocks. Always, as you know, in jewelry stores, especially in retail jewelry stores, stock checking is a very big task. But Posh RFID has made it very, very easy for us to take and check our stocks. We hardly take half an hour each day just to check our stocks. It's very compatible with our softwares and very accurate. Even each and every single bit is been picturized and taken into stock so that we can keep track of all the jewelries which we have, which has been sold, and it's very easy for us to take the stocks. I sincerely and strongly recommend my friends in the same fraternity to go for this RFID, Posh RFID, and have a very sound sleep in the night, because stock checking is a very important and vital thing in our business. Again, recommend and say this RFID is very accurate, user friendly and economical, very, very cost friendly. I request and sincerely advise my fraternity friends to go for this. Thank you so much.